CPT?
What?
It's one shot only, bro. Okay, go east. I feel bad, guys. Sorry, guys. It's my fault. Yeah. Again. Just stay there. Okay.
Okay.
I have to.
You need to call out when we get DPS.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna call. Just if you see that small, if we go small, you can drop it. Okay.
You need a second job.
Second jacket.
Yeah, Brazil. Nice. I like that. Communication is the key, bro. Ask if you need to.
The boss might turn around.
Ready your E? I said ready. Okay, we're good. We're doing fine. Stay east. Just stay east. We're good. I'm gonna dodge a little, so the healer will not have a problem.
First jacket.
Yeah,
We have first
Josh.
jacket.
Josh, nice. We're good. Yeah,
Second jacket
keep healing. Nice.
Second jacket.
Nice. You're doing good. Okay, dodge. Go west now. Go west now. I'm gonna take this. Go west. Drop E. Yeah, you're doing good. Yeah, just one shot. One shot, baby. Don't grab the... Okay,
Don't drop me.
don't grab the chest yet. I'm gonna have picture.